Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about common Norwegian phrases. Learning a new language can be both exciting and challenging. For beginners interested in learning Norwegian, it is helpful to start with common phrases that will allow you to navigate basic conversations and understand Norwegian texts. In our discussion today, we will present a selection of everyday phrases that are essential for any Norwegian language learner. Greetings and introductions. Hi, 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 hello. The simplest way to greet someone in Norwegian is by saying hi, hi, which translates to hello in English. God morgen, god morgen, god morgen, good morning. To wish someone a good morning, use the phrase god morgen, god morgen, god morgen. God ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, good afternoon. When the morning transitions to afternoon, switch your greetings to god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag. Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? How are you? To inquire about someone's well-being, use the phrase hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? Common courtesies. Takk, takk, takk. Thank you. Expressing gratitude is simple in Norwegian. Just say takk, takk, takk. Vær så snill, vær så snill, vær så snill, please. To politely ask for something, use the phrase vær så snill, vær så snill, vær så snill. Unnskyld, 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 excuse me, sorry. Whether you're trying to get someone's attention or apologizing, unnskyld, unnskyld, unnskyld will be your go-to word. Essential questions. Hva heter du? Hva heter du? Hva heter du? What is your name? When meeting someone new, ask for the name with Hva heter du? Hva heter du? Hva heter du? Hvor er? Hvor er? Hvor er? Where is? To ask for directions or inquire about the location, use Hvor er? Hvor er? Hvor er? Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? How much is this? Shopping becomes easier when you know how to ask for the price of an item using Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? Basic conversational phrases. Ja, ja, ja. Yes. Agreeing with someone is straightforward in Norwegian with ja, 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 meaning yes. Nei, 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 no. To disagree or say no, use the word nei, nei, nei. Jeg forstår ikke, jeg forstår ikke, jeg forstår ikke, I don't understand. If you find yourself confused during a conversation, express it with jeg forstår ikke, jeg forstår ikke, jeg forstår ikke. Snakker du engelsk? Snakker du engelsk? Snakker du engelsk? Do you speak English? In case you need to switch to English, use the question Snakker du engelsk? Snakker du engelsk? Snakker du engelsk? Norwegian is a rich and nuanced language with a strong tradition in the literary world. While it might seem challenging at first, learning some common phrases can be a great starting point for beginners. Remember that practice and patience are key to mastering any language. Start by incorporating these phrases into your daily life, and you will be on your way to becoming proficient in Norwegian. Whether you are traveling to Norway or communicating with Norwegian speakers, these phrases will certainly come in handy. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com slash NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com slash NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you learn from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,